Hi everyone, I hope you're fine. So as part of our theme of the week 5 sense, today we're going to talk about the sense of sight. For the sense of the sight, we use our eyes. So you know what? We're going to do a binoculars for us to use our eyes. So let's do it. So what do we need? So I have here one piece of string, one kitchen paper roll that I cut in 2 pieces, ice tape, and in case I need, I have a stapler as well, and a piece of paper like color paper, any color, and some stickers to decorate. So what I did, I got my t-shirt paper roll yesterday and I painted to dry. So it's dry today, and put them all both together. I'll take a piece of tape and I join them here in the middle and in the other side as well. So, and then on the side, what's gonna be a little bit closer to the eyes, I'm gonna put a piece of paper and I'll take one more piece of my tape here and one more here, and if I feel it's not slightly tight, what I can do, I can take my stapler and staple one side. And the other side as well. So it depends on the paper. Some papers need a little bit more, some papers don't need it. And I'm gonna decorate a little bit now. I'm gonna take some stickers and decorate with flowers. And I have here one star, or I have here as well one butterfly. So I'll put it here to decorate. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So what do I need now? I need the string. So how can I stick the string here? We can use a piece of tape and stick inside, and the other side as well. There we go. It's ready. So what I'm gonna use now, how can I use the binoculars now? So you know what? I'm gonna open my curtain and I'm gonna look if I can find some birds, some trees, or some cars, whatever I can see outside. So I hope you enjoy it and have fun with your binoculars, okay?